Hey guys, what's up, man? So today I want to make a short comparison about when in the previous video I was running with a chest strap. That's this beautiful guy, and I bought it from like a Dutch electronic online shop on bol.com, and this is the original GoPro. But I must say I'm not very satisfied with the quality of this chest mount. I was actually quite surprised because it cost like 50 euros. It sits quite nice and it's quite sturdy, and it's actually quite comfortable to run with it, because then you just have it in your chest like that, and then you run, you just press play, and then you don't need to think about where your camera is, and you don't need to hold it in your hand. So that's why I wanted to buy it, so I can actually run and record my runs, and I don't need to hold my camera, so that's a bonus. But I don't know, man. This is when I was watching the footage at home, it's shaking all the way like this, and I was thinking like, what the hell is going on? This is not what I expected. This is actually like, I had the hyper stabilization on auto boost, so that should be like the image should be like super stable. And then I'm watching the video, so I don't know if I'm running like this or something. Maybe I'm running some weird, maybe my posture or my style or whatever is weird, but sometimes it was shaking like normally, like the image shaking like that, up and down a little bit, okay, and then there's image stabilization, then it looks more or less okay. But this one was shaking left and right, and it's on my chest, so I just didn't find it very good. It was actually very horrible footage. So today's video is gonna be about making the same video of my run, but this time I'm gonna hold it in my hand and I'm gonna hold it on a selfie stick, and then I want to put these two in comparison. So chest mount and running with a selfie stick, which looks a little bit weird if other people look at you, but it's totally fine. I don't really care. So, but I was really shocked about the chest mount. It's a very low success, but let's see. See you later, guys. Hey, what's up? If you are wondering why I'm looking like a condom, it's because the weather is changing rapidly, and today the wind situation is 100 kilometers per hour, which is very enjoyable, you know, when you're running and everything blows in your eyes. So that's the glasses, and this is just a general protection against this cold wind. It's not so cold, but the wind makes it quite cold, so that's why I'm dressing like that. From another perspective of other person, I probably look like some kind of astronaut, but I'm just a normal runner, so let's get to it. So check the name of this Dutch street. A Fokkerstraat. So it means a fucker street. Great success. I do enjoy the wind. What an excellent. Hey, what's up? So I'm back. So I was checking the footage a little bit, and I can already see that there's a major differences between the chest mount and between running with the camera holding it in your hand. So I think I'm quite happy with the running while holding the selfie stick. Of course, the level of comfort while running is gonna get much lower than comparing to the chest mount, but you're gonna get better footage. So if you wanna make videos while running, I suggest the running with the selfie stick is better solution. So let me know what you think. You can compare the footage with the previous video where I run with the chest mount, and let's see. I hope you like this video. Let me know, guys. Ciao.